purify your lungs, and say goodbye to cough with this all-natural home remedy. Today, you will learn how to prepare a homemade syrup ideal for detoxifying your lungs and fighting bronchitis. If you are looking for an easy and effective solution, you are in the right place. Start by peeling a banana, preferably a ripe one. Don't forget to click on the heart, comment where you follow us from, and share our videos if you want me to greet you in my next video. Once peeled, let the plantain rest for about 15 minutes. Then, strain the plantain, making sure to press well to get as much liquid as possible. Today's special greetings go to Luis from Arizona, Melanie from Oklahoma, and our dear Milagros from Barcelona. Thank you very much for your constant support in all our videos. If you prefer, you can drink it as is, or add a little honey to enhance the flavor. Honey, besides sweetening, brings many health benefits. Drink a glass of this mixture in the morning and you will be surprised by the results. This remedy not only cleanses the lungs and relieves bronchitis, but also strengthens your immune system. Banana is an incredibly effective fruit for strengthening the body's defenses. Do not hesitate to try this recipe, you will not regret it.